Your morning routine is meant to fuel you, but what if it's doing the opposite? In this video, I'll break down 5 common mistakes that secretly drain your energy and how to fix them. Mistake 1, checking your phone first thing. It floods your brain with stress and distractions. The fix: start with silence, music, or movement instead. Mistake 2, skipping hydration. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. The fix: drink a full glass of water before anything else. Mistake 3, jumping into work immediately. You're reacting, not creating. The fix: take 5 minutes to plan your day and set intentions. Mistake 4, drinking coffee on an empty stomach. This can spike stress hormones and crash your energy. The fix: eat something light first, like a banana or handful of nuts. Mistake 5, ignoring movement. A still body equals a sluggish mind. The fix: stretch, walk, or do jumping jacks, even for just 2 minutes. Correct just one of these tomorrow morning, and you'll feel the shift. Like, share, and subscribe for more simplified growth tips. This is Simplify and Grow, where small habits create big results.